Hey, what's up YouTube? On this video, we're going to do all keys lost on a W207 EIS using the Key Tool Plus and the Wexy platform. Now, if you want to check the platform out, I'll put a link in the description to it. And we just show you first here how we start out with it all set up. Kind of clunky to move it around, so I'm going to move the camera real quick here. So as you can see, you got the gender changer to plug into the VVDI Key Tool Plus, the adapter that comes with the platform and then into the platform. And we'll turn it on, and right now we're powered to the platform. That's important in a minute. And then this button here just changes what tool you're using, and we're using VVDI pad, so we'll have it on that. And we do want it on fast. All right, so that's how we're all set up at the beginning here. Next step is going to be plugging in the EIS and reading the EIS data and saving it. So we'll go and we'll plug the EIS into the platform, like so. And then we'll go ahead and fire up the Key Tool Plus here. And I'm going to go to EMO, Bends, select from System, EIS Tools. And we'll hit Start Programming. And I'm just going to go ahead and just select W207. And I'm going to read the lock data. And I should be able to read this from OBD the way we're currently plugged in. So we're able to read it via OBD, and it shows us that it's got the VIN and all the information we need. It's got 4 keys programmed now, so we're going to go ahead and just save this and name it whatever you want. I'm going to just go ahead and name it YT207. And you can pay attention up in the top left corner here where it's actually saving it to make it a little bit easier to find later if it doesn't automatically pull it up when you need to load this later. And we'll just hit OK. And now we need to actually calculate the password. So from here we need to change how this is plugged in because we're going to do fast mode. So I'm going to go ahead and just back out of this. I'm actually going to turn the platform off for right now. And we're going to go to password calculation. Start programming, and we need to do data acquisition, and we want to do all keys lost fast collector. And I'm going to go and just select 207 fast, and now it's telling us to place the EIS on the bench, but I'm going to go ahead and just get this plugged in how the platform requires it. So I'm going to unplug the platform power, and then we're going to actually be plugging in the power adapter that comes with the Key Tool Plus into the gender changer here, and then into the platform. And I said this platform is really good. It just, in my opinion, just plugs in kind of clunky. But now instead of plugging the platform into power, we're actually going to plug the adapter in, and the platform is going to get its power from the Key Tool Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and power the Key Tool Plus back on. Cable. All right, so now it's all connected as it needs to be. And we notice the platform has no power at the moment. We're going to just hit OK. And there's a process wizard which will guide you through the whole thing. I'm just going to go through normal because I think it's good to know what you're actually doing. So hit normal. It's just telling us how to connect it. This is how you connect it. The platform comes with instructions, and this is the way that you have to do it. So you notice now hit OK, and then now the platform is getting power from the Key Tool Plus, and it's telling me to connect the IR adapter, which we're already plugged into the tablet. And now it wants us to just put it into the EIS, so we're going to do that right now. And now it's going to go through and calculate the password. So we'll just kind of let it do its thing, and we'll check back in when it's done, and then we'll create the actual key. All right, so that took about 22 minutes or so, and it did calculate what we needed, so we're going to go save that. And once again, I'm just going to change this, name it whatever you want. And we'll save it. And hit OK. And it's going to load the file and it should upload it here to actually calculate our password. Upload success, we'll hit OK. And it's going to take, it says, about 50 seconds to get our password. And there it is. So I'll go ahead and hit OK. And it's copied to our clipboard, so we hit OK again. And now I'm going to go ahead and, since we're done calculating, I'm going to get rid of the power adapter in the middle of this here. And we'll hook our platform directly into our QTool Plus. And we're going to go ahead and power the platform directly. All right, so turn it on now. And now we have our password and everything. We can actually go ahead and go to prepare key file. Start, I'm going to prepare a key file. And it needs us to upload, or not upload, it needs us to open that EIS file that we saved earlier. You can find it here, should be right here, so hit OK. And it's actually got our password already filled in for us because it, it did save it. So there's our password right here. And we'll hit yes, and there's our password. And we're doing a half smart key here, V051. And I want us to save it again here. And I was just preparing key files. And complete, so they're all saved. Now we're going to go to write file. And we're going to go read write key via IR. And I'm going to take the IR adapter out of the EIS because that's no longer needed. And then from here we hit start programming. And if we want to write a BE key, it'll load the file. And here's all our keys here, and it actually just shows us 1, 2, 3, and 4 are used. So we'll just select key number 5. We'll open it up, and it's telling us to insert our BE key into the QTool Plus. So that's IR readers right here. Hit OK, and it's going to write the key. And now that it's been written, we'll hit OK. And none of that matters here. So we're still hooked up to the platform, so we've got power. And now, see if I can get this on film here. So I'm going to take the key out, and when I put it into the, when I put it in here, there's going to be a red light that lights up, and we just want to watch for that red light to go out. So that just means that it accepted the key. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Red light's on, and now the red light just went off, and we just actually heard a click, which is the steering lock. And now the key is actually programmed.